Hello and welcome to the latest aftermarket review from Auto Repair Focus. Now I appreciate it's been a little while since we've done one of these, but on the plus side I am now officially double vaxxed, available to attend any events, or if you want to take part as a garage visit on Auto Repair Focus as a video or written article, just get in touch and we can arrange the details. Contact details are on screen now. A garage visit means I attend, I film you guys at work, and if you want to use the video yourself for promotional purposes, you're more than welcome to. For now though, let's get on with the review. Now we start with our usual look at some survey numbers that have come through. And it's again Quickfit that has released some details stating that 3.2 million drivers were prompted by the impact of the COVID-19 pandemic to buy a car, which kind of offsets the 3.8 million people who decided that their car buying would end during the lockdown period of last year and early this year. Now, majority of car purchases were made by younger people, with 16% of drivers aged 18 to 34, or around 2 million motorists, saying that the pandemic prompted them to get a new car. Now, when we say new car, I think we can safely assume that seeing as car sales really did tank last year, the majority of these 3.2 million who did buy a car would have been in the used car market. And another reason they gave them was due to a trend for rush hour traffic levels and an awareness that public transport may not be safe anymore, and therefore looking for new ways to commute and get to work. Many said that they'll be using the car for more commuting. Holiday and weekend travel was in the mind of 7% of drivers as well. Okay, next story. Tech innovator and automotive parts and crash repair product supplier Partsbusters has opened up a new WhatsApp order line for customers. Now, more and more customers are inquiring and placing business orders through the platform. Distributor, who has 3 sites in Newcastle, Birmingham and London, is bringing new ideas to the automotive aftermarket, all designed to bring about efficiencies in the business. WhatsApp Business enables the company, Partsbusters, to demonstrate its forward-thinking, technology-led approach and instantly connect with customers. Now that's the key point, instantly connecting with customers. Today, many people want to drop an email or write a Facebook post or something like that. They don't want to pick up the phone and speak to someone. For some, it's a confidence thing. They don't want to be bamboozled with talk. They just want to put their problem out there and get an instant solution. Partsbusters are using WhatsApp. I noticed recently on the autorepairfocus.com website that Fixedday is also doing online video calling diagnostics. Being able to access your customers in a new way is going to be keeping business coming in for you, and WhatsApp is a really great tool for that. So don't forget, if you do have a WhatsApp account or work phone number that you can get WhatsApp on, make sure to advertise that as part of your business. I used it myself last year when I had to get some work done on my Skoda. I had an electrician come around to do some work on the rear lights, and they contacted me and did the whole thing through WhatsApp, and it was really efficient. So just another business idea, and Partsbusters is obviously promoting that service at the moment. Now finally, ZF Aftermarket has announced that under its ZF Pro Tech Initiative, face-to-face training has now resumed alongside online training. We're going to start seeing more hybrid stuff coming through as the weeks and months go ahead, and we try and get back to normal. Online training is great, it's fair, it actually gives you time to do it in your own space, your own surroundings, your own comforts. But there is also an element to face-to-face training that we just cannot be without. More demonstrable methods, more interaction, more social time, networking, for example. But what interested me the most here was that ZF firmly believes that to protect the integrity of the sector as a whole and ensure a safe working environment for those dealing with hybrid and electric vehicles, everyone working with these technologies have easy and affordable access to it. So ZF is opening up easy and affordable access to hybrid vehicle training and electric vehicle training. And I've banged on about this for ages. Electric vehicles are coming, we need to be prepared for them. So make sure you check out my blog on autorepairfocus.com. And in case you hadn't realised, I've said Auto Repair Focus about 4 or 5 times now, autorepairfocus.com. Our next available course is the EIP Theory, which will take place on the 1st of September 2021 at ZF's training facility in Harbury, followed by a practical course on the 2nd of September. And for more details, visit, funny enough, autorepairfocus.com. Really make sure that you take up EV training, and ZF are to be applauded for highlighting it. That's all from the review. As always, I'd like to hear your comments. Follow us on Twitter, Facebook, or even Instagram. or drop me an email if you're interested in a garage visit video. For now, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you next time.